I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the presentations I'm giving at the UK OBD conferences, which are coming up really soon in Birmingham in the UK. I'm giving 3 presentations at that conference. So it all kicks off on Sunday at the Super Sunday kind of event, which is kind of a pre-event before the main kind of conference kicks off. So this will be on Sunday the 6th, and I'll be giving a 2 hour, almost 2 hour session on using predictive analytics in Oracle, so mining the gold and creating valuable products. So this is where I kind of look at, giving you some examples of projects that I've worked on over the last kind of 12, 18 months using predictive analytics, using advanced analytics and data mining to be able to get some valuable insights on your customers. So I'll be giving examples of projects from, from the telco industry, fraud detection, retail, merchandising, banking, and a couple of others. So that will kind of mainly look at kind of the first half of the presentation, and the second half of the presentation will look at what capabilities are available within Oracle to allow you to do this advanced analytics, this predictive analytics, and being able to automate the whole process using SQL, PL SQL, and real-time decisions within it. And I'll finish up with some guidelines and some pitfalls for people to, hear good ways to go about approaching your projects, and here's some of the things to kind of to watch out for. The second presentation I have is first up on Monday morning at 9 o'clock, and it's, is Oracle SQL the best language for statistics? And for me, it is because, well, we have a huge number of statistical functions within the database. We probably have over 280 different statistical functions with the database. And when we combine those with some of the varieties of it, through the analytical SQL and kind of various different windowing options, is that we can, probably increase that number quite a bit. But a lot of people aren't necessarily overly familiar with the various different statistical functions within the database. So what I'm trying to show is, there is a lot of capability within the database, and maybe, before we have to run off to using, other tools and other languages to do statistical analysis, maybe, a lot of what we want to be able to do is available within the SQL language. So it's a bit of kind of like, let's kind of utilize the skills that we have and we've developed over the years, like SQL, so that we can get a lot more valuable information out of the data. And my third and final presentation at the conference will be on Wednesday at 2:30. So this is about automating predictive analytics. So this is really kind of focused for the Oracle DBA and particularly the Oracle developer, really. And it's about, we have the data scientists going off developing a lot of these predictive models, and being able to come up with lots of wonderful stuff. But the real value comes into, for the organizations, being able to automate this, being able to build it within our reporting systems, being able to automatically build it into our batch processing, being able to automatically build it into our front-end application, so we can get some real-time predictive analytics going on. So I will show kind of and demonstrate a lot of the capabilities that are available to the DBA, being able to manage that process, being moving between different kind of database environments, and particularly for the Oracle developer, how can you build these predictive models within your SQL functions, within your applications, within your dashboards, within your Apex, within your forms, within whatever front end you're actually building. So that's it. So hopefully I'll see you at my presentations, at least one of them, in Birmingham, coming up really soon.